Before telescopes, before light pollution, before anyone even knew what a star actually was, people understood them in ways that would make a modern astrophysicist pause. Take the Babylonians around 700 BC. They weren't just pointing at pretty lights, they were calculating. Tracking the movements of Jupiter with a precision that, when decoded in the 20th century, turned out to be a geometric model we thought Newton invented. They were using trapezoids to measure velocity in 700 BC. On clay. Over in ancient Greece around 150 AD, a man named Ptolemy mapped the night sky into 48 constellations, many we still use today. But here's the thing that makes you lean in. He drew the stars as physical points in space, not just pictures on a dome. He measured their brightness on a scale of 1 to 6. First magnitude was the brightest. Sixth was barely visible to the naked eye. That scale? It's still the backbone of modern astronomy. Now logarithmic, but the pattern holds. He was categorizing the cosmos before the word science existed. Then there's the Dogon people of West Africa. Long before modern telescopes, their oral tradition described Sirius as a binary star, a bright one with an invisible, super-dense companion. Sirius B was only photographed in 1970. How did a pre-scientific culture in Mali know that a star could be both small and crushingly heavy? The debate rages, but the fact remains. Ancient knowledge has edges we still can't explain. And let's not skip the practical side. The Polynesians navigated the Pacific using something called a star compass. Not a tool you hold, but a mental map of the horizon divided into 32 houses, each named after a star that rose there. The rising of Antares meant winter is coming. The rising of the Pleiades meant time to plant. They didn't just see stars as decoration, they read them like a survival manual. But maybe the most moving example is from Aboriginal Australian astronomy, tens of thousands of years old. The dark spaces between stars, the dust clouds, they saw those as the real shapes. The emu in the sky is not a constellation of bright points, but the negative space of the Milky Way. They mapped emptiness itself, and that emu's position told them when to gather emu eggs, not by the stars you can see, but by the ones you can't. So the next time you look up and think the ancients just saw random twinkling lights, remember the Babylonian trapezoids, the Dogon's impossible companion, the Polynesian compass of invisible lines, and the Aborigines reading the dark. They weren't staring into a void. They were reading a library and were still checking out books they wrote.